Szabina, good morning. I have an invite from Radisson Blu Resort Fujairah for a collaboration. Are you up for it? Okay, cool. I'll pick you up in an hour. Okay? See you. Bye-bye.
Who are you talking to? Hello everybody, this is Szabina here and welcome back to another travel vlog. Today I'm here in beautiful Fujairah, another state of the UAE. I'm having a staycation here at Radisson Blu. Stay tuned to see more. I have JRuzz here with me, or known as JRuzz. He's gonna help me to do some B-rolls and photos so the hotel can use them, and also it's good for us. Na, 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 na. We have a nice wardrobe where I can place my stuff. Just for the safety, we have a safe as well. Let's see what's inside. Interesting. So this is the room. Here you can see the bed, and my favorite part is the balcony. It's time to challenge ourselves. Let's enter the game room. Oh, the other way. So the first dinner, I'm taking paneer, some Indian dish, and he got some chicken soup and some grilled fish. And we also have some cute appetizer. This is mozzarella with some tomato and pesto. Enjoy your meal. Oh, that's for me. Some dal, nice.
Enjoy.
What's your name?
My name is Rahim. I am from Pakistan. Anything else I can do for you?
No. Good morning. I just wanted to come and say a quick hi on this lovely peaceful morning here from Fujairah. I just want to say how grateful I am. I only started my YouTube channel 3 months ago and we already reached more than 310 subscribers. So just a massive thank you to all of you. I really appreciate your support. I hope you guys enjoy my videos so far. And just let me know in the future for 2021, what do you prefer more? Like the travel content, photography, behind the scene videos, or you like the snack tasting videos more? Just please mention in the comment section which type of content you prefer to see more in the future. And now let's go back to the vlog. I'm just gonna go over there to try something different. This is my morning routine 101. Going for breakfast now. We are here on the first floor and we're gonna see the international buffet here at Breeze restaurant. How was your sleep? Good. Very good. Only 2 hours sleep.
Only 2?
Yep. I woke up at 2:30 a.m.
Did you go for sunrise?
I did. Yes. I did a lot of shots and yeah. Sabina is signing autographs again. How to handle fame.
It's very hard for me to handle things. They spot me in the restaurant.
Can I put here?
Yes, please. So after the breakfast, it's time to check out the beach. We're gonna take some pictures here as well, as you know. So stay with us. Look at these cute little houses here. You guys know I'm a big fan of water sports, and today I'm going back in the ocean. And today I'm going back in the sea because it's time to try paddle boarding again. Whoever comes and have a chance to be by the water, just try paddleboarding. It's so nice. You just go out there, it's so quiet, relaxing. If there is no wave. If there is waves, better not. This is the perfect after beach food. I just came a bit closer to the ocean to show you the beautiful sunset. I think that's the perfect closing for this vlog. Thank you for watching. You know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next one.